Have you ever thought that somebody's profile picture was cool on Discord and you wanted to download the same photo, but no matter how hard you tried, it just is impossible? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download anybody's profile picture and use it for yourself on Discord. To begin, we actually won't be using the Discord app, but rather the web version. So open up your web browser and you want to search Discord web. From here, you want to press on Discord web, and this is a wrong website, excuse me, this one. And it is going to ask you to log in, preferably using your phone or your PC. For me, I'm already logged in, so once you're logged in, it should just load up Discord, just on your web browser this time. From here, we're going to go to that same profile picture, and in the server was the guy which I found his profile picture. If you give us a moment, there he is. From there, you want to press on view profile, and from here you want to press on your FN key and the number 12 if you're on a 60% keyboard, but if you're on a normal keyboard you want to press F12. Okay, so I have to do this on Chrome, give me a moment. Okay, so we're in the same exact spot on Chrome, and we're gonna go right here. Give it a moment. It can be quite way more laggy on the web version because you're using such a heavy application on a web browser. If you just give this a moment, I don't know why it's taking so long actually. We're gonna press on profile. There we go. So I'm gonna press F12 on my keyboard, and as you can see, the command console will come up. From here, why is it empty? It should not be empty. There we go. So you simply wanna we're gonna go, give it a moment, it's actually loading. Okay, so everything is loaded. You simply want to just press on, you want to try and highlight these. And we're going to right click on this and view page source. Sorry. Right here, inspect. And there it is. So this is the photo. You want to press down on this, press down on this, down on this, and down on this. And as you can see, it gives us a link right here to the profile picture. So we're simply going to open this link. And there you have it. That's the photo right there. You can press on save image and save the photo to use for yourself. If you guys did find this tutorial useful, make sure to comment down below that you did and support us all the way through. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.